Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Now, we've got a little short one, no slide, little camper. So let's get started. It's a 2026 Jayco Jay Flight SLX, model number 210QB. The length on this Jay Flight is 25 feet, 10 inches. The dry weight is 4,255 with a hitch weight of 520 with a GVWR of 6,000 pounds.
Yeah, guys, so I mean, if you've got a smaller tow vehicle, or even if you're just looking for something that's going to be easy and quick setup, this would be a great one to look at.
So Rob, this one is for you, sir. Here we go.
All right, well, right up front, you are going to have a power tongue jack, which is always a plus. Your propane will go under this cover right here. You do have a spot there where your batteries are going to go. Unfortunately, I think this particular unit is actually already sold, so it is locked on the outside, but you do have some pass-through storage there.
You can see it from the other side.
I think we're going to be able to see it from the other side. Your dump area is going to be right down here, super convenient. Even your tank pools are all right there, and your low point drains. This is going to give you an outside shower. Place here for your plug-in.
30 amp camper.
Yeah.
Tankless water heater.
Right there. This is going to have manual stabilizers on it. Now here on the back, they do give you a spare. This one is going to be prepped for the Lippert ladder, and it is also prepped for a backup camera. Your propane quick connect, if you need to know, is right down here. As you notice, there is no slide on this one, so quick and easy setup. I think he is going to see if we can get an awning length on this. You're just going to have to say that because I can't see that far.
16 feet.
16. All right, so it does have a power awning with a light, and the pass-through is open on this side, so we can show you this. So
it's really good.
really nicely done. Does have a light in there. All right, let's go in and take a quick look around.
Now, you would say the SLX models are kind of budget friendly?
They are going to be a little more budget friendly. So, if you're just looking for something to get started in or something to downsize to, yeah, this is actually a really nice floor plan.
Well, I think he needed something that would sleep 3 people, so.
Well, this one you should, and I actually think this one will sleep 4. So,
yeah.
Right up here at the front, you are going to have these great shelves. Now, those are removable if you need to take them out. Open storage across the top. This is going to give you, I believe this is a Camp Queen. I'm pretty sure.
I don't know, I'll measure in just a second.
Storage underneath. Oh, with very good.
Hang on. Oh, my.
Very good shocks on that one.
Wow.
So yeah, you can put a heavier mattress on that and it's going to hold it up.
All right.
It is.
Yeah, it's a 74.
So this is going to be a Camp Queen.
Yeah.
Now looking down here,
well,
you probably could get a queen in it.
All right.
It might just, yeah, it's going to cut out a little bit of your walk
you're
around space.
Yeah.
But you can still get to it. I mean, anyway.
Depending on how flexible you are.
Exactly. Right up here in the corner is where your TV is going to mount. Now this is going to have a curtain for privacy. 2 things that's going to cut down on some weight, and this is, it's not as private as a door, but it'll work. It'll work. Here in the kitchen area, to cut down on some weight and a little bit of cost, you're not going to have solid surface in here, but yeah, place there for your sponges. You've got drawers down here. Spot here under the sink, definitely big enough for a garbage can. This does have a split sink with a high-rise faucet. There is some storage up here. And I'm just going to tell you, Jayco does not skimp even on their more budget-friendly units. They do still have really nice cabinets.
Yeah.
little microwave up there. And I actually love that they give you an oven.
Yeah.
Now sometimes on smaller units, all you get is the cooktop, but you've got the 3 burners and an oven on this one. And then there's some storage underneath it.
Yeah.
Yeah, not a whole lot, but it's there. Moving on into the back, right over here, you're going to have a
Oh, there it goes.
12-volt compressor fridge.
And
Yeah, very nice.
there we go.
While I'm standing right under it, you are going to have your air conditioning unit up here. Now this unit is ducted, which kind of surprises me because it's so small, but it is ducted, or you can direct dump, whatever you choose. Now around your refrigerator, you do have a pantry area here. It goes down, and then your fuses are going to be down here, hidden under a door, and you'll see Jayco does their vents in the walls, not in the floors.
Oh, wow.
Moving on toward the back, more great storage.
Jackknife?
Nice. Yeah, jackknife.
Yeah.
Now there's stuff under here, so you really can't store under this one.
No.
But so that would be a sleeping area, you know, for a kid. That middle I think does pull down for a cup holder.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So yeah, you got great windows back here. That's a nice window right there. Do have a space up here for another TV, and it looks like a 32 should fit up there with no problem. So yeah, if you sit here on your jackknife sofa, yeah, I mean, it's going to be a little bit high, but it's not unreasonable. They are going to give you a dinette in here. I don't think there's storage under this, 'cause I think there's stuff under there. But now this will also make another sleeping area. So, yeah, so I mean, you actually have room back here for 2 kids. If they're really small, maybe 3. And then you do have your Camp Queen bed. So, yeah, no slides, easy setup, lightweight, easy towing. So this would be a great one to look into. But we haven't quite shown you all the areas yet, so we still got to show you the bathroom.
They give you that radio.
Yeah.
Speakers in the ceiling. Yeah. All right.
All right. Now.
Well.
Yeah. This is like I said, you know, it's a smaller, lighter unit. But they actually give you a skylight in here, which sometimes you do not see in a smaller unit.
Well,
so Jeremy's 6 feet tall, so really, really good headroom in here.
24 by 36.
24 by 36, which is not bad. It's not bad. They're going to give you a shower curtain in here. There's my crazy hair today because the wind's blowing weird outside. This should be a medicine cabinet, I'm sure.
Yes.
And then they give you a towel ring over here with a plug-in. Great area around the sink. You actually have really good counter space. Not really storage underneath it, but you can put some stuff under there. You do have open storage over there. Now to save on some weight, you're going to have a plastic foot flush toilet in this one. They actually give you a vent up there. Not a fan in it, but you have a vent. And here is your water heater and light switch. Yeah. Okay, it's not going to get the golden plunger, but it is a small unit. And hey, I think Jayco did a great job on this one.
All right, everybody. If you like this unit, the Jayco Jay Flight here, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.